This problem is for white to make a living shape. The key here really is the corner. It's about whether white can get this honey, or if black gets the honey, or the bend here on the first line, white is obviously dead. So the key move I already told you is this bend, right? Because it makes a huge difference. When black gets the bend, white has very little eye space. But when white gets it, white has more eye space, a significant eye space, because if white occupies the 1-1 point and the 1-2 points like this, white can have a real eye here. And that's very important, right? So now white is threatening to cut off these two black stones. So black must connect like this. Black has no other choice. And now white can use the build two eyes method. What I call the build two eyes method, right? It's a very organized way of thought, just 1 and 2. And the way to do that is to play here, right? Now there's one real eye, very solid, here on the corner, and there's another one right here, because black cannot come in like this, right? Black cannot play here on the first line because there's no other black stones that can save 10 and 12. So black cannot play like this. So if black gives up number 6 will become a real eye for white. Or if black doesn't play at number 6, it'll be like this, right? So white will be able to live after 1 and 3. Of course, white might want to get a little fancy and play this, thinking that if black responds this way, then white can come back and play at number 5. But number 3 is the wrong move, actually, because what black can do is to play this move. Just throw in, right? White obviously cannot play this, or if white plays this, this will be a ko, right? If white captures, then black will just Atari from behind, and this will still be a ko. So it's really annoying. It's not a good ko for either side. It's really annoying. And that's all because number 3 didn't cancel possibility of the ko here on the corner. And of course, if number 3 is here, then black will be able to kill whites in this way. And you can work on the variations on your own. So overall, the key point here is this bend, right? We talked about this move before, right? Standing down on the first line, but this is not a sente, right? This is not threatening to cut off these two black stones. So black will just decrease white's eye space, right? And this will be a false eye, and white will be dead like this. The key takeaway really is just to play this bend. It's sente, and now because white has the 1-1 point and the 1-2 point secured, playing at number 3 will guarantee white's success. Thank you for watching.